Hello students, welcome to my mathematics channel Basic Mathematics. We were discussing about functions, the real functions, some examples of real functions already we have discussed. Okay, କେତେ ଗୁଡାଏ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଆମେ କରି ସାରିଛେ, କେତେ ଗୁଡାଏ ରିଅଲ ଫଙ୍କସନ ର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଆମେ ଦେଇ ସାରିଛୁ। ଆଜି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଅଲ ଫଙ୍କସନ that is called exponential function. Exponential function এই फंक्शन ର ଆମେ डिस्कशन करिबा। exponential function general form is like this: fx is equal to a to the power x. A to the power x. A is a positive real number. A is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. And x is any real number, right? A is a positive, it is a constant. X is a variable. X is a variable where a is a real constant which is a positive real number and not equal to 1. Okay? Now, if a is equal to 1, what will happen? 1 to the power x, it is 1. 1 to the power 3, it is 1. 1 to the power 5, it is 1. It will behave just like your constant function. That is why to make it exponential, a should not be equal to 1, but it is a positive quantity. You see, it has two parts, two cases. What are the cases? That is, a is greater than 1 or a is greater than 0 but less than 1. Example bujhun, fx is equal to 3 to the power x. It is an example of exponential function. Here a is 3. It is a hochi 3. 3 to the power x, 2 to the power x, 7 to the power x. These are all exponential functions. Here a is greater than 1. किंतु हमें जदि नबा गोटे फंक्शन gx is equal to half to the power x, half to the power x, 0.01 to the power x. These are also exponential functions. Here a is greater than 1, here a is greater than 0 but less than 1. So two cases will arise. When a is greater than 1, what will happen? When a is less than 1, what will happen? Let us see. Right? ଆମେ ଏବେ ଦେଖିବା ଯେତେବେଳେ a greater than 1 ଅଛି, এই ଫଙ୍କସନଟା ଦୁଇଟା ଭିନ୍ନ ରୂପ ନେବ। ଯେତେବେଳେ a greater than 1 ହେଇଥିବ ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ a less than 1 ହେଇଥିବ। Suppose ଆମେ case 1, let a is greater than 1. कौन भिन्न हो? In both the cases, अच्छा, the graph will be different. In both the cases, you see here, domain of the function, domain of f is the whole set of real numbers. A greater than 1 ho, ba less than 1 ho. Domain of the function must be the set of real numbers. कहेंगे से हो 3 to the power x or हो 1 by 3 to the power x. For every value of x, x ର प्रत्येक मूल्य ପାଇଁ ଆମେ a to the power x ର मूल्य ପାଇ परिबा. Right? ତେଣୁ ଏଠି function is defined all over the set of real numbers. प्रत्येक रियल नंबर पाई हमें तार इमेज पाई परिबा. सेति पाई यार डोमेन आसीबो r, the set of real numbers. What about the range? both the cases range of f दीर्घ केस a greater than 1 हो बा less than 1 हो range of f कौन आसुची ना रेंज आमे देखिले गोटे जिंस एटा पॉजिटिव नउचु एटा पॉजिटिव नउचु तेनु पॉजिटिव रो जे कोनसी पावर आमे नबा कोन आसीबो पॉजिटिव आसीबो पॉजिटिव पावर हां so these are all positive real numbers the set of positive real numbers this is the range of your function अच्छा positive 0 होबो कि नहीं no it will never be 0 because a is not equal to 0 so any power of a cannot be 0 so it is the set of positive real numbers 0 to infinity or r plus we may write this is the range of your function आउ केते गुडा प्रॉपर्टीज सेमानकर जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज हमें पढ़ी परिबा from the set of real numbers number theory of numbers we have already read properties number 1 a to the power x into a to the power y is equal to a to the power x plus y set of real number theory हम जानिछु बेस जदि समान अछि जते मल्टीप्लाई हेबो सेटे पावर दिटा मिसिबो तेनो एठी सेया बेस हला a पावर a x अछि आ गोटे a रो पावर y अछि धीरे धीरे हम मल्टीप्लाई करिबा the powers will be added a to the power x plus y this will be the one first property then yes second property is a to the power x to the power y a to the power x what exponential तार power y कौन आसबो a to the power xy and that is also a to the power y to the power x same thing right same thing a to the power x whole to the power y is equal to a to the power xy number third then number third property is what is that now if a is greater than 1 then x is greater than y implies and implied by a to the power x is greater than a to the power y बुझियल अच्छा एटी गोटिए कथा हमें देखिबा जे कोनस गोटे फंक्शन fx रो मूल्य जदि बड़ हो f of y थारु when x is greater than y ता माने कोन होची x बढ़िबा संगे संगे fx रो मूल्य जदि बढ़ी चले हमें सेटा कहबा इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन ग्राफ टाइ भलिया हो इंक्रीज करूची एठी हमें x नबा x बढ़ी बढ़ी चले fx रो वैल्यू बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवो fx रो वैल्यू हम एलम y एक्सिस नउचु x रो वैल्यू एलम x एक्सिस नउचु x बढ़िबा संगे संगे fx रो मूल्य जदी बढ़ुची सेटा कहबा हमें इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन इट इज ए मोनोटोनिकली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन बुझियोनी प्रत्येक जगह रे गोटे इंक्रीजिंग असेंडिंग ए कथाटा हम जते उठुछु आमे समय होची एठी टाइम इज द मोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल तो आमे केते बेले कहबा जे पिलाटार स्टैंडर्ड इंक्रीज करूची एनहांस करूची असेंडिंग ऑर्डर रे जाउची केते बेले टाइम जते बेले बढ़ी बढ़ी जाउची तार स्टैंडर्ड बढ़ी बढ़ी जाउची क्लास रे लास्ट होतला तापरे फिफ्थ पोजीशन गसला तापरे थर्ड पोजीशन गसला सेकंड पोजीशन गसला फर्स्ट पोजीशन लाइक दिस तो एटी कोन होची स्टैंडर्ड इज इंक्रीजिंग जेते बेले समय बढ़ुची टाइम बढ़ुची सेते बेले परफॉर्मेंस जदी बढ़ी बढ़ी चलुची ताहाले माने गोटे पिला मानकर फेल होउतला मैथमेटिक्स रे से किछि दिन पर देखा गला से पास कलानी आउ किछि दिन पर देखा गला से 50 ऊपर मार्क रखुची आउ किछि दिन पर देखा गलानी से 70 जे फेल होउतला से आसी कि 70 रख त माने कोन समय बढ़ी बढ़ी चलिला बेलकू फंक्शन रो मूल्यटा तार स्कोरिंग टा बढ़ी 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 जाउछ ताले सेही केस रे हम कहूछु इंक्रीज करूछ एग्जैक्टली सेम जितेबले एक्स रो मूल्य बढ़ुची इंक्रीज करूची माने राइट रे हमें चली टुवर्ड्स राइट इंक्रीज करबो लेफ्ट बोले हमर समय पछुआ पळे पछुक आसीबो डिक्रीज करजो तेणु एक्स जेते बढ़ी बढ़ी चलीची एफएक्स रो मूल्य देखो ये हाइट टा बढ़ुची तमने एफएक्स एक्स जेते एठी थिला एफएक्स इज दिस तो एठी के आसीला एफएक्स इज दिस तो एठी के एक्स आसुची एक्स बढ़ी चलची एफएक्स रो वैल्यू भी देखो बढ़ी बढ़ी चलची ना नहीं एटा बढ़िला एटू ए हाइट टू एटा बढ़िला तापर एटी देखला एटा बढ़िला को ए हाइट टू यार बढ़ला राइट तेणु सही कथा एटी कहला जे जदी एटा ग्रेटर देन 1 ताहले fx is greater than f of y when x is greater than y fx is greater than f of y right ठीक अछि ताहले जत्ते बेले a greater than 1 रहउची सेते बेले fx is greater than f of y if x is greater than y त माने x रो मूल्य बढ़िबा संगे संगे माने कर अछि आमे नबा fx is equal to 3 to the power x तमे देखो f of 2 टा केते 3 रो स्क्वायर दैट इज 9 f of 3 टा केते आसीबो सॉरी f of 2 वाला 2 रो स्क्वायर दैट इज 4 ठीक है f of 2 3 square 9 f of 3 is 3 to the power 3 that is 27 fx ला 3 to the power x f of 2 हम कहते हैं 3 square that is 9 f of 3 is 3 to the power 3 f of 4 3 to the power 4 that is 3 to the power 4 in sukta 81 right like this you see 9 is less than but 27 is greater than 9 81 is greater than 27 3 is greater than 2 4 is greater than 3 suppose it is 2 3 4 this is increasing so जेते बेले हम देखिबा एटा 1 थारु बड़ जो एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन रो बेस ता 1 थारु बड़ से आखि बुझी के हम कहि परिया ब्लाइंडली वी कैन से दैट दिस एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन इज इंक्रीजिंग इट इज एन इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन ओके अच्छा सिमिलरली इफ वी टेक a less than 1 suppose a less than 1 both case greater than 0 but less than 1 a case रे कोन हबो here x is greater than y implies and implied by a to the power x is less than a to the power 4 त माने x रो मूल्य बढ़ी चलला बेलकू fx रो मूल्य कमी कमी जीवो जेमति कि माने कर अछि हमें नबा gx half to the power x ताले g of 2 half रो square that is 1 by 4 g of 3 half cube that is 1 by 8 g of 4 it is half to the power 4 that is 1 by 16 you see the value is decreasing जेते बेले x रो मूल्य बढ़ई बढ़ई हम चलुचु fx रो मूल्य कमी 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 आसुच ताहले एठी फंक्शन टा डिक्रीज करूची बोली हमें कहबा द फंक्शन इज डिक्रीजिंग एई कथाटा हमें ग्राफ करके तांकर देखिबा इन बोथ केसेस द डोमेन इज द होल सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स the range is the set of positive real numbers, right? And what about its graph? Let us see. Yes, let us see the graph of the function in these two different cases. That means when the function is increasing, what is the graph? When it is decreasing, what is the graph, right? Yes. Suppose now case 1 graph. Suppose a is greater than 1. हम गोटे एग्जांपल नै परिबा fx is equal to 2 to the power x. Right? Example non la मैं exactly graph पे करि परबेनी. Take your graph paper and form the coordinate axis. It is x, x dash, y, y dash, it is 0. Right? Suppose we will take some values. It is x, it is fx, right? Yes. Suppose number -3. Yes, 2 to the power -3. That is 1 by 2 to the power 3. That is 1 by 8. It will be 1 by 8. -2. What will happen? It is 1 by 4. And -1. It is 1 by 2. And 0. It is 1. Then 1. It is 2. 2. It is 4. 3. It is 8. 4. It is 16 like this. 5. It is 32 like this. Then it is. So if we graph it, this is your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. Yes, -3, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. When it is -3, it is 1 by 8. माने this is 1 unit तार 8 भागरु भागे केते छोटो हेतिबो एटा this is 1 equation आछी 8 भागरु भागे. Suppose here, then here, this is the point. Then -2 -1 by 4 टिके डबल हे जिवो, right? Then it is -1 half, and when it is 0 it is 1. So yes, when it is 1 it is 2, when it is 2 it is 4, when it is 3 it is 8 somewhere here like this. So your graph will be, if we will smooth join them, you will get this, and it will never increase. No, like this. The graph of your exponential function 2 to the power x, it is something like this. it is highly increasing, and when x recedes away from, suppose go away from y-axis but from 0 in the negative direction, the graph of the function will just stay above the x-axis, just ଲାଗିବ ଯେମିତି x-axis ସହିତ ମିଶି ଯାଉଛି, ମିଶିବନି କେବେ, ପ୍ରତି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଏଟା ମିଶିଲା ଭଳି ଲାଗୁଥିବ, ଯାଉଥିବ ସେଟା କମି 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 ମିଶିଲା ଭଳି ଯିବ, ମିଶି ପାରିବନି। It is like this। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କଥା କହିଲେ ଆମେ ନେଲେ fx = 2 to power x, ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଯଦି କମ୍ପେୟାର କରିବା, এইটা হলা এক্সপোনেনশিয়াল ফাংশন, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ নবা ଆମେ পাওয়ার ফাংশন, fx = x স্কয়ার পাওয়ার ফাংশন। ইয়ার ভ্যালু নিয়াইছি, ইয়ার ভ্যালু মনে কর নবা, এটি x এটি fx, টিকে অবজার্ভ কর, -3x র মূল্য যেতে নবা, এটি কেতে আসিব, yes -3 -3 ର ସ୍କয়ার 9 -2 4 -1 1 0 0, এটি 0 রে 1 হেলা, দেন আফটার 1 1 এটি কেতে আসিব 1 2 it is 4 समान है, then 3 it is 9 बड़ा अच्छे, 4 जितना होगा 16 समान असला, 3 9 4 16 कमी गला, 3 ର ସ୍କয়ার 9 4 স্কয়ার 16 2 to the power 3, अच्छा, then 5 25 85 है 32, then 6 36 86 আসলে কেতে আসিব 2 to the power 6 64, কেতে বড় দেখো, তার মানে 8 ये -3 it is 9 -3 it was 9, it is like this, it will decrease like this up to 0, and after this it will 0 যেতেবেলে এটা 0 যেতেবেলে 0 1 রে 1 বড়িব like this, then 1 it is 1 2 4 2 4 उठेला, it is la, then 2 4 3 9 3 well it is 9, 4 it is 16, 80 cross 80 8 cross कर जो एमती क्रॉस कर जो, राइट, ता माने हमें ऑब्जर्व करिबा ई टिके आगु गले ये रैपिडली इंक्रीज करछि के एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, सो एक्सपोनेंशियल से में को जाए द वैल्यू इज इंक्रीजिंग एक्सपोनेंशियली, से में जेतले तीव्र भाबरे इंक्रीज करे हमें तो कहू इट इज इंक्रीजिंग एक्सपोनेंशियली, माने खूब जोर इंक्रीज कर होछि, right, yes, so this is the graph of your exponential function 2 to the power x। एबे देखिबा में graph of the function gx is equal to half to the power x, जोटी की a greater than 0 but less than 1, gx is half to the power x, तो वैल्यू जेतेबेले नबा कोन हबडी x fx x yes -3 -3 it is 8, -2 it is 4, -1 it is 2. 0, it is again 1. 1, it is 1 by 2. Then 2, it is 1 by 4. 3, it is 1 by 8. 4, it is 1 by 16. 5, 1 by 32. Like this. That means the value will decrease. Let us see the graph. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like this. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Yes. When minus 3, it is 8. 8 somewhere here. When minus 2, fx is minus 4. Sorry, plus 4. 4. It is here. Then when minus 1, it is 2. Yes, it will be this. Then when 0, it is 1. And after that, 2, it is half. Sorry, 1, it is half. 2, it is 1 by 4. Then 3, 1 by 8. Like this. So the graph will be like this. This is the graph of a to the power x, means half to the power x. Here a is a negative, a is greater than 0 but less than 1. That means the function is decreasing. x ର ମୂଲ୍ୟ ବଢିବା संगे संगे fx ର ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଆସ୍ତେ 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 କମି ଚାଲୁଛି. Right? So here fx is decreasing. Fx is equal to half to the power x is decreasing. Right? Here fx is equal to 2 to the power x is increasing. तुमे निजे एटा ग्राफ पेपर रे टेस्ट कर दे परिबो. अन्य जे कोनसी फंक्शन भी नै परिबो. fx is equal to 3 to the power x, fx is equal to 1 by 3 to the power x, like this. एबला फंक्शन नै तुमे निजे एक्वेंटेड होबा पई केतोडे निजे फंक्शन एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन बनाओ एवं ताको ग्राफ पेपर रे तार ग्राफ करो, तार नेचर टा स्टडी करो. देखिबो जे जो जगह रे नेइचो a greater than 1 सेडी फंक्शन इज increasing, the graph is in increasing mode. And where a is less than 1, the graph is decreasing mode. Right? This is all about your exponential function. Next time we will vividly discuss about the new function, that is logarithm function. Okay, thank you.